If you want to make phone calls on Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, all you have to do is you can go to the list of apps, and then you can either use this phone app over here, this green one, or you can open contacts by using this red app over here. So first let me show you this green one. In this case you will find the recent calls that you had on your phone, and if you want to you can call back to someone by using the recent calls. You can also open the dialing keypad over here, and of course you can jump to contacts by using this person icon over here at the top. And if you choose any of these numbers, then you can try to call or send a message by either using one of these two buttons. And in case you open this red app over here, then you should be able to find the contacts, all these contacts that you have on your phone. So you can also choose any of them in order to make a call or send a message. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.